Hey everyone, so today we are showing you or reminding you how to upload your quizzes into your OneNote. Remember, this is how we'll be submitting quizzes all year long. So whether you are in class taking a quiz or at home taking a quiz, this is the process we're going to get you going through. So here we go. As usual, our journey begins in Teams. And let me get you back to the main screen that's here. Here we go. So you are going to click on your class period. So let's find your particular class period. All right. I am going to choose, I'll choose fourth grade as an example. All right. All right. So what we want to make sure is we are in the general tab. Okay. We're not going into any of our channels right now. We're staying in the general tab. So when we come up top, we are going into our class notebook. All right. In our class notebook is where we are going to be putting everything. So when you get into your class notebook, it might take a little bit for it to load. All right. And what we want to first do is we want to get out of Teams because like the math videos, when we open up things within Teams, sometimes it's not too friendly. So I'm going to click, I want to open it in the app. All right. Now I know I'm in the app. You might have to click something else twice saying, are you sure? But if you look across the top of the screen, it's all purple. All right. So if it's all purple, you know that you are in your app. Okay, what we're going to do here is there's your books. This is going to condense the screen. This is going to let you see where you're going to be working at. You want to make sure up here that you are in your math class. So I have an assortment of things to choose from. You don't have as many of these, but you should find one of these that has your class period. Like I said, I'm choosing fourth period. So there we go. By doing that, you should find your name somewhere going along the side over here. All right. And then what we want you to end up doing is clicking on it. So I am the teacher, so I will be going into my teacher one that is there. So when I click on it, right now, um, this we're in the unit review. Now, and later on, we might be in unit 1 or unit 2, so you've got to go into the correct unit to find your quiz. But for right now, we're in the unit review quiz. All right, so now I can see quizzes, and voila, here we go. I've got all of them over here. So if you are at home and you're taking a quiz, all right, you've got options. One, you can just simply condense the screen so we can see better. You can pinch it. All right. Woo. All right. And what I can do is I can go up top to the draw feature. And if it's something a basic quiz like this, I can just ink. So I can be like, okay, let's touch the draw. I can write correctly on it. Hey, there's a 2. Hey, there's a 0. I'm done. I don't need to click anything to submit it. Show's over. It's there. I'll be able to see it. I'll be able to grade on it. I'll be able to ink on it. So that's one method that we've got. Now, for a lot of quizzes, the inking's not going to be good because your inking is going to look like this, and then you're going to tell me that's the answer. And I'm going to have trouble seeing it, and you're going to be frustrated. So let's go back and let's show you some other options. Let's go into quiz number 1. I go into quiz number 1, first of all, I can see quiz number 1 that's there. All right, there it is. And then the other option that we've got here is I can go ahead and open it up as a PDF. All right, there it is down there. What? And you can print from there if you would like. For a lot of you, printing the exact quiz is going to be more beneficial for you. You could also open up a Word document by double clicking on it and again, printing from there. Just the choice for you. So you complete your quiz, and now you're like, well, how do I turn it in? Okay. Wait, before we do that, let's say you don't have the printer at home, or the printer's not working, out of ink, whatever the case may be. We don't need to blame mom and dad for this or anyone. Don't brothers and sisters, don't involve them. Just take out another sheet of paper. All right. Do all of your work. Just write down the question. All right. Just write it on down and then solve it as if you are taking it on that paper. Okay. So let's go back in time here. You've got that paper that's completed. What do I do with it now? So here we go. You're going to click on your quiz. All right. And then all we're going to do is we're going to come up to insert. And you are going to insert a picture. All right. And you are going to insert a picture from your camera. All right. your camera error occurred. Okay, the problem here is I'm already using the camera to make the video there. Okay, so what you would have here is you would have a screen where you're able to take a picture. So you would end up standing up. All right, you're going to end up folding your computer flat. You're going to get directly above it. All right, hold it, snap that picture. So with your camera, then you'll take that picture and then look, it's there, it's there. Insert all button, okay? So while you are standing up and you snap that picture, you need to click that insert all button. If you fold your computer back so it can sit on your desk and then try to click the insert all button, no, it won't be there. You'll have to hit that cancel button and you'll have to do the picture again. So snap that picture, click insert all right? And what's gonna happen is your quiz is going to, the picture of your quiz is going to appear. Sorry. All right, it's going to appear on the screen right here. And then you can move it around, you can edit it. Let's say, for example, it's sideways. Well, you can right click on it, and then you are going to get options of twisting and turning it. The icon that will twist and turn it, it's a triangle, but then it has like an arrow with it. And there's two of them there, depending on which way that you want to turn it. So yeah, again, it's just a right click turn it. And again, there's no saving. Once what you see is what I'm going to end up seeing. So you can pinch it, we can drag it to make it bigger. Kind of say to try to make the quiz about the same size as what you've got here. All right. It's a good way of kind of working at it. And again, you can just drop it right on top of it. So office hours, people, if you're having trouble with it, frustrated with it, hey, come see me during office hours. You can also send me emails, but this is why we also do the paper version as well. So if you are having that problem and you show up the next day like, Mr. Savage, huge technology problems, couldn't get my quiz turned in. Okay, show me the paper quiz. I didn't do it. No. You should at least be able to walk it in with hands so then we can show you how to submit it right there. Because yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of practice. Okay, everyone. Hopefully that helped you out. If not, like I said, find some time to come see me, office hours, when you're here at school, or maybe if you see me walking down the street, I can definitely help you out as well too.